Was it true कि पचिनो और like De Niro का इतनी बनती नहीं थी and like eventually
पता नहीं यार, मैं तो उधर शूटिंग पे था नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं. But I think Michael Mann is a very good filmmaker when it comes to silences and craft of creating performance. You know,
the best one being Heat.
Can't touch it. Can't touch it.
If I'm there and I gotta put you away, I won't like it. But I'll tell you, if it's between you and some poor bastard whose wife you're gonna turn into a widow, brother, you are going down.
Tom Hiddleston does a very nice imitation of the whole scene.
अच्छा.
अगर आप देखो तो ग्रैम नॉर्टन के शो पे.
But if it's between you and some poor bastard whose wife you're gonna turn into a widow, brother, you are going down.
And Heat is a pretty long film. I mean, then he made Miami Vice also later, which is a very flawed film, but it had the same color tone and mood as Heat. I mean, his Last of the Mohicans देखी है तुमने?
नहीं.
Daniel Day-Lewis की.
I haven't seen that.
Please watch it. If you ever believe, like, it's Daniel Day-Lewis has done a romantic film. Huh? It's a romantic war period film. It's in the time when the Indians were under threat from colonization that was happening, where the Westerners were coming in to take land. And here was a man who was defending the Indians who was actually not an Indian. And Madeline Stowe is the woman that he falls in love with, who's from the. So it's basically, it's like Britishers आए थे, और it's, you'll relate to it quite a bit. And it has one of the nicest themes, and it has one of the most beautiful shots. If you see, at least मेरे लिए था शायद, it must be inspired, but he must have been inspired. I always find it interesting when there are reflections. तो अगर लाइट होती है तो उसका रिफ्लेक्शन पानी में होता है तो हाफ हाफ बनता है. तो उसने ब्रिज पे ना ऐसा सेटअप किया है कि वो ब्रिज का आर्च ऊपर है और फिर पानी में भी आधा है, एंड यू जस्ट सी पीपल क्रॉसिंग इट. Visually, it's a stunning film. His performance is intense. Michael Mann is a terrific maker. Like Heat also, I really enjoyed for that reason. I mean, Ferrari was a little, again, meandering, but his silence is also very powerful as a filmmaker. At least I've always appreciated the way he uses performance, the way he uses edit, the way he uses music. मुझे तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग डायरेक्टर लगता है. और क्या किया उसने माइकल मैन ने?
मेरे को तो हीट से ही याद है वो.
कोलैटरल की है उसने.
कोलैटरल.
हाउ इज शॉट एलए? नोबडी शॉट एलए द वे ही शॉट एलए. भाई उसने इनसाइडर बनाई है, देखिए तुमने इनसाइडर?
इनसाइडर आई हैव सीन. या
वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म्स टू मेक अ ड्रामा टू विद दोस काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंसेस एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड मेक इट सिनेमैटिक. बट हाँ, हीट इज हीट. I guess Michael Mann and De Niro, Pacino to have Heat is